Hello my dear students, your teacher Ravinder Malik is here. Students, subject English, class 10th. In online class, we are going to study an interesting and knowledgeable story, and the name of the story is The Thief's Story. It is taken from the First Flight. Writer is here Rustin Bond, very famous Indian writer. Students, before starting the topic, starting the story, let's talk about some human emotions, human feelings. Students, trust, faith, betray, nervous, love, hate, such type of feelings all human beings have. And do you know, students, these emotions have a great power. They can transform the person. They can transform life also. So let us see through the story how a person's behavior changed through these emotions. Here two characters are there. The first one is Anil. Age 25 years old, young writer, used to write for magazines. Then this is the way of earning. He was alone at home, careless we can say, and easygoing, very kind and simple person. बहुत ही नेक दिल इंसान we can say. Next character is there, opposite of Anil, we can say Hari Singh. 15 years old. He was a thief by profession, thief, robber we can say, and liar also. How do we know? Because Hari Singh, it was not his real name, it was his fake name. He changes every month. He changes his name every month. Why? To escape from the police. Because चोर का काम क्या होता है? I don't need to explain, students. You know very well. Now, students, some new words are there. Let's talk about them. Vocabulary part. Flattery is a new word. Flattery, here the meaning of flattery is, we can say, students, insincere praise, किसी की चापलूसी करना. Then beam is raise, scars, injuries, shine which are left due to injury on the body, निशान और घाव के निशान you can say. And grunting, it is a guttural sound, like that, like that. Fit and starts, we can say not regularly, kabhi kabhar. Now we will talk about the value point of the story. Students, my grandfather used to tell me a story like that. I also want to explain the story in a way so that you will take interest and pay attention. The first value point, first of all, is start the story, students. A wrestling match. And wrestling match in many festivals, in many occasions we also seen. काफी टाइम ऐसा आता है जब हम wrestling match होता है हमारा, खासकर हरियाणा, यूपी, राजस्थान, they are Punjab also famous for wrestling. Anil was watching a wrestling match here. When the first meeting was there between Hari Singh and Anil Singh was watching wrestling match, and as we know that wrestling match में बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, persons काफी सारे होते हैं. Anil was also there and Hari Singh was also there, and after finishing the match सब अपने अपने घर जाते हैं. So Anil was also going to his home, but पीछे से एक लड़का भाग के आता है and उसको बोलता है, you are looking so हट्टा कट्टा, you are so strong person. And Anil Singh also replied, you do so. But actually Hari Singh was a very thin boy. So Hari Singh told him that I want to go with you. So Anil, actually he was not a rich person, तो कोई नौकर वगैरह सर्वेंट नहीं था. He hadn't have any servant. So सोचा कि कम से कम कुछ तो हेल्प करेगा, रूम की सफाई करेगा, खाना बना के देगा, कुक करेगा, and all the things he will do, household work. So Anil agreed on the condition that, will you cook? Do you know how to cook? Then he told that yes, I know, but he was telling lie. So first time he cooked the food, student, and the food which he cooked, the Anil had to throw it to the dog because it was tasteless. टेस्टलेस क्यों था? अनिल को कोरोना नहीं हुआ था बिकॉज द फूड वॉज नॉट मेड बाय हरी सिंह. इट वॉज नॉट मेड बाय properly because Hari Singh didn't know how to cook. Although अनिल ने बोला कि जा भाई भाग, live from here, but उसने काफी गुजारिश किया हरी सिंह ने, सर प्लीज कहाँ जाऊँ हम, आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, प्लीज प्लीज. एज वी नो दैट जो फ्लैटर जो चापलूस होते हैं, फ्लैटर्स होते हैं, चोर्स होते हैं, वो बड़े क्लेवर होते हैं. सर प्लीज प्लीज मुझे कहाँ जाऊँगा प्लीज आप. सो अनिल सिंह pity on him, दया करता है, allow him and teach him, taught him how to cook and how to write and add numbers. Okay, so अनिल सिंह ने डिसाइडेड किया रे तेरे को कुछ सिखाएंगे बच्चा. एंड he also saved 1 rupees daily क्योंकि अनिल gave him money to purchase the household items like tea and vegetables and आटा जो भी आपका फ्लोर्स है, and he saved 1 rupees. But Anil knew about it, but Anil didn't mind it. कभी बुरा इस बात का नहीं मानता है. Now students, 1 month passed, everything was going on well, and Hari Singh now focus on his business. Here 1 महीना हो गया भाई अपना business. And what was his business? What was his profession? Thief, चोरी. So what happens? अनिल सिंह के पास जो पैसा आता था, and it was not on the regular basis. कभी काफी पैसे आ गए, कभी उसको देने पड़ गए, क्योंकि as we know that we write for the magazines, कभी वो magazines पब्लिश होती है तभी हमें पैसा मिलता है, otherwise we stay penniless. So students, one day Anil brought a bundle of notes and he put it under the mattress where he used to sleep, and he slept. Here students, Hari Singh, till now he is showing a good spirit, but now evil spirit. हर इंसान के अंदर 2 आत्माएं होती हैं, 2 spirits are there, bad and evil. एक उसको अच्छा होती है, वो उसको बुरा करने से रोकती है, बट वो उसके अंदर जो बुरा जो evil spirits है वो उसको करती है. So here evil spirit again awoken. Now Hari Singh decided to steal the money and to run away from there by the Lucknow Express train से. And at night he stole the money and run away from home, reached the station. At the station, train was starting, it was about to go. Chuk 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 chuk, like it was getting speed. And the Hari Singh भाग के पहुंच गया था वहां पे. He could catch the train, but conflict between bad evil and good spirit and evil spirit was there, and that conflict stopped him to catch the train. हिम्मत नहीं उसकी ट्रेन में चढ़ने की. क्यों? Because here he thought that he was betraying the person who has a great faith on him and who can teach him how to write, how to add numbers, and he can learn. अगर add number add करना education उसको मिल गया तो he thought that he can achieve whatever he wants. He can be an IPS officer, he can be a scientist, he can be a doctor, but now he will lose the faith and वहीं का वहीं रह जाएगा. So students, he decided not to run away. Now he was thinking about conflict was there between good spirit and evil spirit. He was sitting there on a bench, night time, रात. It was the time of November. You can imagine रात का time, India का November month, chilled we can see. And he was उसका जो money था, he was tucked into the pajama जो पजामा पहनते उसके अंदर उसने अपने छुपा रखा था. Students, he was thinking that what should he do, and he regretted here. He is betraying a person who is trusting on him, and he was also thinking that it is very difficult to rob the careless person like Anil. कंजूस ग्रीडी है, उसको तो चीट करना बड़ा आसान है, बट केयरलेस पर्सन, दिल खोल पर्सन, चिंदा दिल, वसासियस पर्सन को चीट करना वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम. ये ह्यूमन बीइंग्स का नेचर होता है स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ही डिसाइडेड टू पुट बैक द मनी. ही वेंट बैक and it is also very difficult. Stealing is not as difficult as return back now, but he saw that Anil was sleeping smoothly. He put the money under the mattress and went to his bed. Next morning, Anil prepared tea and gave him. When he woke up, जाग आई उसको लेट. अनिल तब तक चाय बना के उसको पास आ चुका था. एंड अनिल gave him a 50 rupees note. Then he told that every day I will give you 50 rupees note from today because I have earned money. And the note of 50 rupees, do you know student, it was wet due to the last night rain. Here Hari Singh understood that Anil knew about the last night episode. क्या घटित हुआ था रात को अनिल को पता चल गया है, क्योंकि वो गीला नोट, अनिल भी इतना पागल नहीं था, समझ गया था. बट ही डिडंट शो एनी एक्सप्रेशन कि आप मुझे पता चल गया, ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस उसने शो नहीं किया अनिल ने. इट्स मीन्स वी कैन से ही वाज अ वेरी काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन, अ ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. एंड students, this was the end of the story. And from that day you can imagine student कि हरी सिंह तो totally transform हो गया होगा या नहीं होगा. You can imagine, you are also human beings. I leave it on you students. That's all for the day and have a nice day. Thank you.